Hello, this is Professor Satish Kumar Soni. I am presenting a video on preparing a PowerPoint presentation. Preparing a PowerPoint presentation is a compulsory skill for all professionals. This is video MR1 on the YouTube channel SKS Education Tech. Let us see the details of preparation of PowerPoint. Assumptions and observations. I assume that the viewer is a computer literate person and has basic skills of using Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. My purpose is not to make you super specialist with skills to use impressive special effects like used in advertisements, but to make a nice looking PPT and to enable you to communicate effectively. Appreciate that PowerPoint presentation is a basic digital tool to facilitate a presenter to communicate impressively his/her ideas to viewers using text, line diagrams, photographs, animations, and video clips, etc. Anybody can learn to make good PPT by continuous practice, keeping visual literacy of the potential viewers in mind. Preparing for presentation. Prepare an estimate of number of slides by allocation about 1.5 to 2 minutes time to each slide as an average. It consists of oral speech, media-aided speech, and media-dominated communication. Media aids: PowerPoint slides without sound, PowerPoint slides with voiceovers, PowerPoint slides with a short animation, visual consisting of a picture with some sketches. Write a draft script and speak in front of mirror to time out the total duration. Real presentation shall take about 25% more time due to slower pace and detailed narration you may like to give. You should have confidence to face the audience and have guts to make mistakes. Every mistake should be a lesson to improve. So, reflect about your degree of success after each presentation. Tips for preparing textual slide. The title slide should be of the size 36 to 44 points. Separation between consecutive lines by showing in contrasting colors so that you can differentiate the content of different lines falling each in a sequence. Format of the slide should be wide screen 16 to 9 as this slide is seen. This format suits design and placement of our eyes to see world more wide than height. Distance between two consecutive photographs ideally be 6 to 12 points before and 6 to 12 points after. Recommended font size in points. Master text label 22 to 28 points. Slide title 36 to 44 points. Single text box at first level 24 to 28 points. Second level 20 to 22 points and third level 18 to 20 points. No text should be written less than 18 points. Inserting video clip on a PowerPoint slide. Record video using your Android mobile or download from Google. Example, the video in the right-hand column has been downloaded from Google search of pictures. Length of video clip can be trimmed by Microsoft Clipchamp software in Windows 10. This Microsoft Clipchamp is available on the Microsoft stores. Join the clip on a movie maker video editor. Record voiceover to describe salient points on slide text box as per your objectives of integrating the video clip with your presentation using the recording facilities on the MS PowerPoint presentation. The following picture shows the details of a living room of a bungalow in the richness of its surroundings, nature, and greens. You can see the outside greenery and the richness of the greens from the window view. Here you are seeing two photographs, how they have been composed on a slide with some text. So above, sample photographs pasted is the title of the slide, and two photographs have been organized on the slide in such a way that the top edges are aligned with each other, and the combined rectangle formed by two photographs is totally organized in such a way so that the spaces left on right and left side is almost equal. That gives you a good look of the slide. How to see the video program from a streaming channel. Search the streaming channel like YouTube, which is streaming a useful video program suitable for your students. Avoid showing full video programs to your students until and unless it fits fully to the learner's outcomes. It always more effective to take a part of 2 to 3 4 minutes video clip from the video which fits well your objectives. Learn how to edit video on laptop using free MS Movie Maker or MS Clipchamp software and cut the selected clip for presenting as a part of PPT or a separate clip using video projector. Prefer to mute the original soundtrack of the video clip and voice over your commentary while presenting the video clip, which will transform the clip it as if you have produced it for your learners. Always mention the source of the video clip to respect the copyright of the original producer. In next few slides, we will see how to display an animation on a slide. And it is the example of clips of a 4-bar chain, which is the mother of all machines. Let us see in next few slides. We shall see tips for audio recording and playing a voice-over in both audio and video mode. Audio recording of voice-over. Open your PPT slide and click on record button. Click on record button to clear the previous recording on the current slide. Click on audio button. Click on red button to start voice recording after 2 seconds after pressing the red button. If you wish, you can give music or background music by playing music on your smartphone. Video recording on voiceover. Open your PPT slide and click on record button. Click on button to clear the previous recording on the current slide. Click over Record from the current slide. Click over red button and start speaking after 2 seconds after display of number 3. Press Edit button to check for the recording in the slide show mode and within the total duration of about 100 seconds. Avoid recording too long voiceovers. Let us see what happens after clicking. The 4-bar chain consists of 4 different links, and all these 4 links. That is how you have seen the audio recording of the voiceover by clicking the speaker symbol can be listened. In this slide, a 4-bar chain has been displayed. As you can see, it consists of 4 links which are hinged to each other, and the total assembly of these 4 links move on freely in the space, and all the links are also moving with respect to each other while the total assembly is also moving in the space freely. So this is what is the concept of 4-bar chain. This becomes the mother of all mechanisms on which most of the machines, mechanical engineering machines are working. Here on this slide, you are seeing 2 modes of listening the voiceover. You can see a symbol of a speaker. Click to listen audio narration. You can click over it and audio narration will be audible. Or you can use the cameo where your face with your commentary and voiceover can be seen and listened. Here we will see the example of downloaded animations of 4-bar chain as applied to different machines. To show the example how to use animation for communication of a complex concept. A 4-bar chain has been used here in the pantograph mechanism for enlarging and compressing a graphic for manufacturing or for drawing. This is a wiper mechanism of a car windscreen. So this is also an application of the 4-bar chain. These animations are very useful for communicating complex ideas related to different technical details. In this slide, we are again explaining another complex concept of static friction and the sliding friction with the help of the animation shown with the help of an insect and a small block kept on the table. When the insect applies force, the static friction is overcome and sliding friction starts coming. So sliding friction is almost constant, whereas static friction depends on the total pressure of the block on the table. So that phenomena is explained very easily on this particular animation system. Initially, planning and making activities may be difficult. But to learn swimming, you have to plunge in the swimming pool. So, if you start practicing on the basis of few tips explained above, you will be able to create very nice looking PowerPoint presentations, and your communication of complex concepts and processes and procedures will be quite simple, and it will be more effective and interesting. Thank you very much for listening with patience and with a strong desire to change. Please, please like and subscribe us the YouTube channel SKS Education Tech. Thanks again.